In this section, we will learn about super handy and flexible feature of exporting data to other application without integration. For example, you have some ERP or some other existing system, which you do not want to connect this application directly through database or web service. But still you want Emirates ID and other data to be transferred or copy-pasted into that application text boxes. Maybe, if you are let's say typing center and you are using some government website, you cannot directly integrate to that website, but you want, when you scan Emirates ID of your customer, the data should be automatically copy-pasted into specified text boxes and other inputs. Let's take example of desktop application, considering it is your ERP system and you want to fill a form using My Application. For this, we have to do two things. First, enable Send Keys option. And secondly, specify our data fields and special keys like tabs, Alt plus Tab, F4, Enter, etc. keys. Let's go to Settings. Click Send Keys. Check this checkbox. Save and close the settings to see new button appears. Yes, Send Keys is appeared. Now go to Settings again. Send Keys tab. Our data fields and keys list will look like this. First one is Alt plus Tab. After that we have either EID field or custom field data or special key. By special key, I mean Tab, Enter, F4, Control, etc. using which we can jump from one input to another. Let's remove all so that we can add our own keys. Leave Alt plus Tab special key there. We will add data fields first in same sequence as it is in our ERP, employee name English, employee name Arabic, department, gender, and so on. Now we will add tab keys. The special keys should be wrapped in curly braces. Let's add tabs in between each data field. We have two drop-downs also. To handle selection data in drop-down with keys we have to send F4 key, then data, then we have to send Enter key too. Move the Enter key up and place it after gender. Move this Enter key up and place it after nationality. Let's click Help link to know what is key representation for F4 key. It's F4 in braces. Let's add F4 keys for drop-down inputs. With F4 key, the drop-down pane gets visible, then we can send data to drop-down. Move the F4 key up and place it before gender. Move this F4 key up and place it before nationality. Save settings and close the form. Click Read Card button. Fill in data before send it to our ERP application. Now click Send Keys button. Data is automatically copying and pasting like magic. But it's seeing there is something wrong. It pasted data in wrong text boxes. Let's analyze the pasted data. Gender is empty, and the value of gender is entered in nationality, and nationality is entered in Emirates ID, and so on. I think we have added 2 tabs consecutively before gender. Let's see our settings. Yes, there are 2 tabs before gender. Remove 1 tab before gender. Save and close. Click Send Keys button again. This time we got the data correctly. I was able to remove this mistake from video, but I intentionally kept it to show you. If you face similar issue, how can you trace and fix such issues? Now let me try to send the same data in same sequence to a web application. Suppose you want to send similar data to website. I have created a dummy web-based ERP with similar form. Let's send keys to this web page. Make a little bit changes in data so that we can recognize this as different transaction. Before sending data, focus the first text box in web page. Click Send Keys button. All the data came in our web page correctly. We got the data in our web-based application without technical integration. Before this one, we sent it to a desktop application. We can send our data in any sequence with any combination of special keys to any opened application.